हेलो दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है सुप्रीम स्टेनो क्लासेस में। और आज मैं देने जा रहा हूं आपको डिक्टेशन सुप्रीम कोर्ट केसेस से, जो कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है और काफ़ी ज़्यादा रिलेवेंट है यदि आप तैयारी कर रहे हैं पंजाब और हरियाणा कोर्ट के लिए और साथ ही मध्य प्रदेश हाई कोर्ट के लिए या किसी अदर कोर्ट्स एग्जामिनेशन के लिए। और इसमें मैं वेरियस सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जो जजमेंट्स हैं उनको एक साथ दूंगा। ये मिक्सअप है, आप ध्यान से इसको लिखिएगा और अपनी प्रिपरेशन को हाई रखिए। बी रेडी, 5 सेकेंड, स्टार्ट। लॉ पॉइंट: whether the High Court is justified in permitting the accused to produce certain pages of police diary at the time of cross-examination. Facts: the judgment passed by the High Court of Uttarakhand at Nainital, setting aside the order dated 31/8/2016, is called on question in this appeal. Respondent number 3 herein, along with another accused, was facing trial before the Sessions Court for the offences punishable under Section 302 and 201 of the Indian Penal Code. During the course of the trial, after the completion of examination in chief, an application was filed by the respondent number 3 herein for the submission of some key and relevant documents. The documents were stated to be copies of certain pages of police diary maintained under Section 172 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 by the investigation officer, which were obtained by respondent number 3 by making an application under the provisions of our Right to Information Act 2005. The respondent number 3 proposed to confront PW 15 with those documents. Such application was opposed by the appellant on the ground that the fresh documents cannot be allowed to be produced by the accused at the premature stage of trial, and it is always open for the accused to produce such documents during the stage of recording of statements of the accused under Section 313 Code of Criminal Procedure. It was further contended by the appellant that it is open for the accused to lead evidence on their behalf after recording of the statements of the accused under Section 313 Code of Criminal Procedure. The application came to be rejected by the Session Court. Being aggrieved by the same, respondent number 3 filed misc application before the High Court of Uttarakhand at Nainital under Section 482 Code of Criminal Procedure. By the impugned order of the High Court allowed the said miscellaneous application. Decision: the Supreme Court allowed the appeal and held right of the accused to cross-examine the police officer with reference to the entries in the police diary is very much limited in extent, and even that limited scope arises only when the court uses such entries to contradict the police officer, or when the police officer uses it for refreshing his memory, and that again is subject to provisions of Section 145 and 161 of the Indian Evidence Act. The police diary is only a record of day-to-day investigation made by the investigating officer. Neither the accused nor his agent is entitled to call for such diary, and also are not entitled to see them during the course of inquiry or trial. The unfettered power conferred by the statute under Section 172(2) of CRPC on the court to examine The entries of the police diary would not allow the accused to claim similar unfettered right to inspect the case diary. The denial of right to the accused to inspect the case diary cannot be characterized as unreasonable or arbitrary. The confidentiality is always kept in the matter of investigation, and it is not desirable to make available the police diary to the accused on his demand. Fact: revocation of proposal. Facts: the respondent invited tenders for repairing roads. The appellants along with others submitted tenders. However, the tenders were never opened. The other tenders withdrew their tender except the appellants. As per the prevailing police, a single tender cannot be accepted. The appellants approached the High Court, and the questions inter alia that were raised before the court were as the legality of the withdrawal of tenders and the policy as to non-acceptance of a single tender. Decision: the court held that under Section 5 of the Contract Act, a proposal may be revoked at any time before the communication of its acceptance is complete as against the proposer, but not afterwards. In this case, the tenders submitted by the tenders were never opened and they were never accepted, and therefore the tenders had right to withdraw the tenders, and thus there is no illegality in the matter of acceptance of the withdrawal of the tenders of the other tenders. Regarding the policy, as the policy was issued by the Central Vigilance Commission and the tender relates to a work of a central government organization, the policy is applicable in this case. Law point: whether an order admitting a second appeal is a final order or interlocutory order or decree, etc. Facts: the respondent filed a suit for declaration and injunction against the petitioner. The suit was decreed. The petitioner filed an appeal, and the first appellate court allowed the appeal and dismissed the suit. Feeling aggrieved, the respondent filed a regular second appeal under Section 100 of CPC. The High Court admitted the appeal, formulating substantial question of law. Aggrieved thereby, the respondent filed a special leave petition to file an appeal against the order of admission of the second appeal. Decision: the Supreme Court held that an order admitting a second appeal is neither a final order nor an interlocutory interim order. It does not amount to a judgment, decree, determination, sentence, or even order in the traditional sense. It does not decide any issue but merely entertains an appeal for hearing. Stop. सो गाइज ये डिक्टेशन था। इस जगह मैंने एक गलती की है, आप उसको ध्यान दे दीजिएगा। मैंने फैक्ट्स बोला है लो पॉइंट के जगह पे फैक्ट्स रिवोकेशन ऑफ प्रपोजल बोला है, जो कि होना चाहिए था लो पॉइंट रिवोकेशन ऑफ प्रपोजल। थोड़ा सा ध्यान दे दीजिएगा, सो सॉरी फॉर दैट। और यदि आपको इस तरीके का डिक्टेशन पसंद आ रहा है तो प्लीज़ चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए। और यदि आपकी कोई क्यूरीज है किसी भी स्किल एग्जामिनेशन के रिगार्डिंग तो कमेंट्स में आप हमसे बेहिचक पूछ सकते हैं। थैंक यू।